Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my very favorite things. It's gooey and messy and slimy. That's right, we're going to make slime today. Let's get started. Pause the video and get out the materials that you need. The first thing you'll need to do is add a 4-ounce bottle of school glue to your bowl. Next, you'll take half of a tablespoon of baking soda and add it to your glue. Use your spoon to mix it around very well. There should be no powder left. Next, pick what color you want to make your slime. I'm going to make mine a bluish green. All I need to do is add 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of green. And when I say drop, I really mean 1 drop of each. Mix it around until your slime becomes one color. Okay, now here is where we activate the slime. Take 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. And add it to your slime mixture. Mix it around, and you'll see your slime come to life. Once you've mixed it around for a while, you can take it out of the bowl and start playing with it. It's going to feel very sticky, and it's going to get stuck to your hands. But that's okay, because the more you keep playing with it, the less sticky it gets. If you don't like the feeling, you can put it down on the table, or you can ask your grown-up to add a little more contact lens solution to your slime. That will make it less sticky on your hands. I'm going to put it down on the table to play with it more. Look, it's not sticking to the table. When you're done playing with your slime, put it in a sealed Ziploc bag or an airtight container. That will help it last longer. You can ask other people in your household how they feel about slime. How do you feel about slime? I don't think she's too interested. Want to try playing with my slime?
Sure. Wow, it's so cold. Whoa. Wow, this can go all the way to the ceiling.
Thanks for making slime with me. Have fun!